wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best leather repair kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Otts Mr Fixit is both comprehensive and versatile, with 30 pieces carefully selected to tackle cracks and tears on nearly any leather surface, whether it's genuine or PU, so you can repair everything from your best motorcycle jacket to the front seat of your Suburban. It's good for vinyl as well and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, the glue isn't as strong as some. At number 9, the no-hassle Blend-It-On Complete doesn't use any heat, so you don't have to worry about the refinishing process damaging your treasured ottoman. This uncomplicated kit breathes new life into any item suffering from fading and wear, and it's formulated for vinyl too. It's effortless to clean up, and larger sizes are available for big jobs, but some find that it rubs off over time. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The all-inclusive leathernu Complete is a dynamic pick capable of anything from a simple spot treatment to full-blown repairs. It uses water-based non-toxic dyes and restorative compounds, so it's safe to use on surfaces that come into contact with your kids or pets. It covers up to 2 square feet and is made in the United States. However, the procedure is a little confusing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for leather repair kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, ideal for small rips and scuffs, Coconix Super Easy offers crystal clear instructions for achieving optimal results with a variety of genuine and faux leather types. It's also backed by a satisfaction replacement guarantee, so you're covered if anything goes awry. It helps hide cigarette burns and the formula dries quickly, but there's not enough compound for wide tears. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're pressed for time or DIY challenged, then you'll appreciate the uncomplicated mastaplasta First Aid, an extra large sheet of sturdy yet supple self-adhering fabric that simply covers the problem area of your choice, whether it's upholstery and leather or vinyl. It can be cut for customized shapes and applies in seconds. However, it may peel over time. Halfway up our list at number 5. Few things are more frustrating than a busted seam, and that's where Finyl Fix comes in handy. Well suited for boating or camping products, it contains clear-cut instructions and 2 curved needles, plus durable commercial-strength thread in both black and white. It comes in its own storage bag and is both versatile and effective, but the needles could be sturdier. At number 4, in no more than 5 straightforward steps, Fortivo Fast Drying will have your prized full-grain Italian sectional looking brand new via its simple no-heat process, and it even includes a handy square of practice fabric, so you don't have to take unnecessary risks. There are complimentary resources online, and it includes an extensive color mixing guide. However, you don't get a huge amount of glue. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, not only does Strongman Tools boast a wide array of high-grade color-mixing compounds that make it effortless to seamlessly imitate the hue of your woebegone couch, it also includes various grain papers so you can match the texture flawlessly as well. It comes with handy step-by-step instructions and works wonders on handbags too. It's backed by a lifetime guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for leather repair kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the SIMSIA 18-piece is a budget-friendly choice that includes everything you need to close ripped seams and large tears. And even if you're on the clumsier side, don't worry, it comes with a thimble to protect your precious fingertips. You get 5 colors of cord and both straight and curved needles. It can also be used for crafting. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Available in a dozen different shades, Leather Furniture Maxx Mega is ideal for a complete color restoration on your favorite sofa or chair. It features everything you need to make full repairs as well, including a strong filler compound and backing material. It comes with a satin finishing sealant, and the directions are easy to follow. It's excellent for pet damage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for leather repair kits, or simply click beneath this video.